Business integration. Business integration is a strategy whose goal is synchronous information technology and business culture and objective align technology with business strategy and goal. Business integration is a reflecting of how it is being abstract of function of business integration following benefits companies can realize when they are committed to a business integration strategy. Business integrate with the various platform after business units, simplified environment. The amount of integration an enterprise need to manage can easily get out of control in hurry, and business integrate platforms simplify connectivity, workflow and data flow. Comprehensive visibility. End-to-end visibility enables enterprise to view the entire life cycle for any type of data. Automated workflow. Business integration accelerate on onboarding of trading partner of to your portal network to expand and grow network. Connecting to trading partner all size level of it type format, reduce onboarding cost, maximizing staff efficiency, increase revenue by expanding your network project of strategy. Most business used some type of management program to streamline things. Business integration is driven the present day organization and exciting process of people technology, improved data technology, better communication, improved productivity, one-step service, robust growth. Business integration is the most used whole strategy of company. Business integration in Yamaha Motors. Yamaha Motors Co. Limited hereby announced that board of directors that a meeting of each company held. Today resolution were passed so that Yamaha Motors has made the subsidiary through a allotment of shares. Shinkawa has made Epic Yamaha Motors wholly owned subsidiary through a tender offer subsequent produced and Shinkawa the Epic Yamaha. Yamaha Motors will translating to joint holding company structure through corporate and separation of Shinkawa. Thus integrate the business of three company. A business integration agreement has also been concluded a global equipment and sales network are based on a spirit of cooperation and fairness. Yamaha Motors produce or create through collaboration with numerous suppliers in Japan and other countries.
As our procurement and the sales structure expand with our increase the global business, Yamaha touching your heart. This has been one of the most famous decline as it responded very well with the brand image. The tagline promised the best for and targeting supreme safety and every human by making it is bike executing and sportly. Yamaha Motors Group considered further enhancement of Yamaha's brand under the leadership of brand committee establishment in January 2017. Yamaha Motors produced or created the thought collaboration with numerous suppliers in Japan and other countries. For example, the motor is a Yamaha two-stroke auto lube 100cc engine. Yamaha Motors cycle main dealers sales spares and services.
For example, the system is offered on a range of Yamaha outboard from 150 HP to 200 HP.